What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Park Mazda. Today we're taking a look at this beautiful 2019 GMC Terrain SLT Elevation. The Elevation does have an automatic transmission as well as a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. But let's go take a look inside this awesome gray GMC Terrain SLT Elevation. As you approach the driver door handle here, you do have your advanced keyless entry. Nice easy tap to unlock as well as tap to lock. On the door panel here, you do have a nice soft touch leather armrest, your power windows, power mirrors here, as well as your power locks up top with your power memory driver's seat. You do have your power liftgate here, some storage down below, and a cup holder and a little bit more storage. And you do have the Bose premium audio system throughout, which does sound very, very good. And of course, since you do have the power memory seat, you do get the power driver seat with your lumbar support. And you are equipped with nice black leather and with a nice orange trimming throughout the whole Elevation SLT. But let's get into the GMC and see what else it has to offer. Now that we're inside the GMC here, you do have your push button starts right up. Blind spot monitoring lights up in the corners of the mirrors, and on the left hand side of the steering column you do have your automatic light control there and the fog lights as well as your electronic parking brake. Now coming to the left hand side of the steering wheel, you do have your cruise control settings. You also do get the adaptive cruise control, and you can adjust your gap adjustment there at 3 level settings as well. You have your heated steering wheel on the left hand side. On the right hand side you have a multi-directional pad here, as well as your voice recognition and answer and hang up buttons to go through the screen. So using that, we can go through the screen here. So going all the way over to the home screen, on the home screen you're going to find different information here with the speedometer there as well as the speed sign. So you do have that showed up, and you can see the lane keep on this left hand side of that. As we tap to the right, we can go into the info pages. You can see the battery voltage, your temperatures, the different distances for your eco trend, the oil pressure, the speedometer there, the trip one end, your fuel information, your oil life, your tire pressure monitor, your fuel economy, average speed, timer, your following distance, and then you can go over to the right and see your multimedia, where you can change your media, change the radio, change what you're currently listening to, change source, all that stuff through there. You do have the navigation with the SLT Elevation, but you do have the direction that you're facing and which road and where you kind of are there as well. You do have your phone connection here where you can make phone calls, and all through the directional pad without taking your hands off the steering wheel. You have different information here where you can set up speed warnings, different settings that you can change throughout there as well. But very nice clean tachometer gauge here as well. But moving over to the signal light here, you're going to find you do have the automatic high beam. So very, very nice that you have the automatic headlights and high beams, and then you do have your windshield wipers on the right hand side. But moving over to the infotainment screen here, you do have that new screen from GMC. Very, very, very nice, very reactive. So on the home side of things, you're going to find your multimedia, your phone connection, and the navigation, and all through the home. But you can swipe over. You do have the different app menus, so you can go into the audio apps and see your different AM, FM, Sirius XM for quick access. And then you have your Bluetooth there. If you have a USB or auxiliary plugged in, it will show up there as well. You can quickly add your favorites up top, set different information there as well. You can go into your phone, you can see your contacts, keypad, when your phone is connected. You do have the navigation here as well, which everyone likes, where you can set up your home and work address for quick access. Very, very responsive nav. Probably one of the fastest I've seen. GMC's doing a really good job with their navigation, which is always very nice. You do have available Wi-Fi hotspot, which you can set up for Wi-Fi and passwords as well. You do have different users where you can create different drivers. You can set your keys to different people, so when you get in and start the car up with the key, it will already know what driver it is, which is always super nice. And then you do have the different settings here, which you can go through and change your different settings, change the different vehicle softwares, updates, all that stuff. Of course, you have your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You can change the different app options. You do have the available My GMC there. But over into the vehicle settings, you're going to find the different options here. So you do have the comfort and convenience, so reverse tilt mirror, so when you put your vehicle into reverse, the mirrors will tilt, extended hill start, hands-free lift gate, trunk control, all that stuff through there. But you do have the collision and detection systems for the safety systems. You're gonna have your forward collision system, alert and brake, front pedestrian detection, alert and brake, adaptive cruise go notifier, lane change alert, park assist, rear park assist symbols, and rear cross traffic alert. Always nice to have all those safety features there. So you can download apps, as you do have the available Wi-Fi. You can get available OnStar. You can download the My GMC app and controls different controls through the car, as well as you do have the app. So right now you have Amazon Alexa and Spotify, so you can log into your Spotify account, and through the data you can listen to your music. As you put the GMC into reverse, you do have a crystal clear backup camera with your guidance lines there that do move, as well as you do have the rear parking sensors in the back there. So the seat actually does give you does vibrate and let you know that you are getting close to the subject or wall. But now below that you have your physical buttons, your dual zone climate control with your nice cold air conditioning, and then you have the shifters here that's in all the Terrain's little buttons. So reverse, neutral, and drive, and then park, and you can shift manually if you need to. Below that you're going to find your multimedia connection. You have your USB-C and A, as well as an auxiliary, so you have all the options to connect. A 12 volt and the SD card is there for the navigation. Deep storage down below here, 2 cup holders, as well as you do have your different modes here, so you can put it into all-wheel drive, shift into 2-wheel drive there, as well as you can go over into your off-road mode. And then you have your heated seats at 3 level settings, classic GMC with the heated seat and back, or heated just back. So you can set those both at 3 level settings for both the driver and passenger. You have your downhill deceleration, and then you can turn on and off the lane sense there. You do have your two more USB ports in here, so you can connect a bunch of different multimedias, everything for charging, and then removable storage that's up top. You do have a little bit of storage here as well. Center, a nice deep glove box. And then moving up to the top, you're going to find your auto dimming rear view mirror here, your OnStar buttons, your door lights on and off, and then the tilting sliding moonroof controls with the moonroof shade. And then you do have the 3 universal garage door openers, and you do have this massive panoramic moonroof up top. That does look awesome and brings a lot of light inside the GMC Terrain. But let's go take a look at the outside of the SLT Elevation and see what's got going on. So on the outside of the GMC, you do have this awesome gray exterior and all black accents all the way throughout. You do have these awesome shaped headlights down there, your fog lights down below, black grille with your nice chrome accents around the GMC, black badging. You have your detachable block heater connection up front here as well. And look at how good this GMC just looks here. Very nice stance. But you do have the OEM remote starter on the keyless key. So you just lock and then hold down the remote start button and start it all the way, start it up already. You can see those LED daytime running lights, and they look super good. But as we work our way down to the rims here, you're going to find on the rim you do have your black GMC alloy on your hand cooked all season tires. Nice looking alloy, and to the side of that you're going to find the Terrain badging. You also do have the 3M on the hood here, very hard to see, but you have the 3M on the hood and fenders. But working your way to the back, you're going to have the black accents, your window sills, roof rails up top there, and then you do have your advanced keyless entry for the front and rear, your OEM window tint, and bringing you to an SLT badge in the back here that is blacked out. You have an awesome rear tail light LED design, so you have that LED light on the back there as well. Your rear parking sensors in the back here, and then you do have your Terrain all-wheel drive badging and the all-wheel the GMC badge up top here as well. Your backup camera down there, and then you do have your power lift gate here as well, so it opens up nice and easily. And into the back you're going to find your rear cargo mat from GMC, so it is fitted, so you can actually remove this, take it out, spray it down, which is always nice. And you actually have them on the back of the seats as well, which you can just fold down nice and easily, and they actually just all fold down as one, so they're all connected there. so you can just pull that all out and get your nice back cleaned and have it protected while you have stuff in the rear here. But under here you're going to find a nice deep storage compartment. You do have your regular mats here, as well as you do have your all-weather mats in the front, but you do have lots of storage down there, which is very, very nice, and the spare tires below that also. But let's take a look at the rear seating and see what is going on back there. So as I mentioned previously, you do have your advanced keyless entry for the rear door panel. It's always nice to have it on all 4 doors. But in the back here, you're going to find your soft touch armrest, power window controls, storage in the door panel here, quite a bit of storage, cup holder down below. Of course, those all-weather mats in the back here, same all-weather mats that you do in the front. Nice leather upholstery and the nice bucketed seats in the back. You do have that middle seat armrest here. It does fold away to give you that 3rd seat in the rear. You have pockets in the back of both of the front seats. You also do have your rear air vents here, 2 USB ports for connection, as well as a 110 volt back down there as well. You also do have hooks here, so you can hook up bags or something when you are traveling to make sure stuff stays going, as we've all dealt with traveling and having garbage and stuff while you're on the road. So it's nice to be able to have that and attach a bag nice and easily there as well. You can fold this seat down nice and easily from back here as well by a pull of this lever, so you have those options, which is very, very nice. Thanks for watching this quick overview of our 2019 GMC Terrain SLT Elevation. If you have any more questions about this awesome SLT, please visit parkmazda.ca. At that time, you find out all the information about this vehicle, see all the different photos, as well as book this vehicle for a qualified test drive. When you come in for a qualified test drive, you do get a $25 Visa gift card. We hope to see you guys soon, and have a great rest of your day.